What's up, guys? So, this is not a paid placement or any kind of advertisement for Rokform. This is my personal opinion. Uh, I hope you like the funniness. There's no funny business here. Today, we are unboxing the Rokform case for the Samsung Galaxy X9 Plus. I don't know if you guys can read that, but here's the three things it comes with. The little booklet to make you want to buy more. Very good stuff. Also, the item itself. See there, it's Samsung S9 Plus rugged. Good stuff there. Okay, so we're going to unbox this with the GoPro using my GoPro Hero Session. I do believe I'm saying that right. First thing, take off. Get rid of that. Second thing, quickly get completely sidetracked. Just kind of look through this stuff. Because I don't even know what this thing came with. But this is a lot of cool stuff. That's what's up. Ooh, very cool, guys. Very cool. Here it is. So, comes a little pull tab. On the back here, it has a lot of cool stuff. How it works. And warning. Uses. It's also got active, auto, bike, motorcycle. So we're just going to yank on that as hard as we can, as violently as we can. As you can see, I took that out as gently as possible. This is a really nice box. It happens. So the contents inside the box, guys, is as follows. The Beyond Protection. Thank you. And that's pretty cool. And the plastic. Carrying on. The case is all one design, all one piece. It doesn't look like it's meant to come apart at all. Here is your little tiny thing. Now, obviously, this padded area is going to go towards your phone. The other area is going to go inside here. Now, this is all rubber that's inside here, so all I'm doing is just kind of setting it in here, massaging it around a little bit. I might have pushed slightly harder than I was supposed to, but it also kind of looks like it's meant to kind of hold itself in. There's a little cut there for what I can only assume is to help us. There it goes. That is in there. Now time for the ultimate test. We're going to try to stick this in here without any kind of interruptions. So, if we get interrupted, you know why. That's very nice. It feels really awesome, guys. Let's try a button. There you go. I really like the feel. And then here's the back of it. That's where the metal piece is. I love having this option right here, guys. To have the option of opting on or off of the little tether piece is a very good idea. Sometimes, even though it does look a little girly, it's a good idea to have. Alright, guys. There we go. That concludes the GoPro footage of the unboxing of the Rokform case Beyond Protection. Thank you very much, guys. Next is yo, guys. Hit the thumbs up, smash the subscribe if this is your first time here. Leave me comments down below. What'd you like, what'd you not like? Did you like my haircut? all that good stuff. Let me know. Peace out. This is my personal opinion on the Rokform case for the Samsung S9 Plus. I absolutely love it. Love at first sight. So I'll do a little bit of an update next week. Stay tuned, guys. I hope you like the funny little emoji thing. Look pretty good. Peace out.